With billions of stars above you at night, filling the night sky with state-of-the-art technology drones to tell an ancient Indigenous story is a very special experience. Wintjiri Wiru is something that everybody who comes here to Uluru has to experience. And once the sun sets, the drone show takes flight from this launch pad, telling the stories and culture of this amazing place. Wintjiri Wiru translates to beautiful view out to the horizon, and they've got that right. Matt Cameron-Smith was part of the brains trust behind this project. And one of their very first tasks was consulting with the Ananu elders.
So Trevor, Wintjiri Wiru really came to life after we spoke to the Ananu about what story would they like us to tell.
Yep.
And a very senior group of Ananu guided us all the way. So every image you see, every sound you hear, every spoken word has been guided by Ananu to make sure it was done respectfully,
Yep.
appropriately, and as we call it, doing it the right way.
The night sky has been putting on the most incredible show here for millions of years. Now this technology adds to it, it takes it to a whole new level. Just talk me through the tech, it's kind of mind-blowing.
Yeah, well, you're here on a world's first. This is the largest drone platform anywhere in the world. It's the largest ongoing drone show anywhere in the world. And this is how we paint the sky. So we take these amazing images that you see inside of the caves in Uluru and actually reproduce that in the sky with a narration told by Ananu. So as you arrive on this beautiful platform, state-of-the-art amphitheatre built right in front of Uluru, you're greeted by our team offering you a cocktail. It's Beach Tree Gin, it's Jarraboy Beer, Penfolds Wines, a beautiful curated native food-inspired hamper as you watch the sun go down, and then of course the magic happens.
There is something special about tilting your head back and watching as the night sky lights up with a stunning display that tells the stories of Uluru. But Wintjiri Wiru isn't the only light spectacle filling up the dark night landscapes. The critically acclaimed and award-winning Field of Light by internationally recognised artist Bruce Munro has just been extended beyond its 8 years to an indefinite display, and this is all due to popular demand. The installation covers more than 7 football fields with around 50,000 spindles of light scattered across the land. The Field of Light, which translates to looking at a lot of beautiful lights in the local language, is Bruce Munro's largest work to date. Well, what an incredible experience. A light show unlike anything you will ever see anywhere else on the planet. Under a billion stars with a backdrop that is just sensational, and it all connects you to culture and history in this beautiful place, Uluru. This is what great travel experiences are all about, things that you will never forget.